A new boiler installed runs you $8,000 to $15,000. A repair on the one you already have runs you a few hundred to a couple of thousand. Most homeowners get one big quote for the replacement and don't realize they're often 3 out of 5 questions away from getting another 5 to 10 years out of what they already own. I'm Jason Hammond. I rebuilt the heating system on my Mohawk cottage by keeping the boiler and replacing everything around it. Saved me about $10,000. Here are the 5 questions I'd ask before you sign for a whole new system. Question 1. Is the heat exchanger actually cracked? This is the only true non-repair answer. The heat exchanger is the part where combustion heat moves into your water. If it's cracked, exhaust gas leaks into your water loop or escapes into your basement, and there's no patching it. Any reputable HVAC tech can do a combustion analysis in 15 minutes and tell you yes or no. If the answer is no, you have repair options. If the answer is yes, you replace. Question 2. How old is the boiler? Cast iron boilers from quality brands, Butterus, Burnham, Weil-McLean, routinely last 40 to 60 years if they're maintained. Modular condensing boilers from the last 20 years are different. They have a 15 to 20 year design life. So 20 years old means very different things depending on the kind. Find the data plate, look up the model, and you'll know which curve you're on. Question 3. Is the boiler the problem or is the rest of the system? I see this constantly. Homeowner gets a quote for a new boiler when the actual issue is painted over fin tube, a stuck zone valve, an airbound loop, or a dead circulator pump. Each of those is a few $100s to fix. None of them needs a new boiler. Before you replace the heart of the system, make sure the rest of it is actually working. Question 4. Are you changing fuel sources? This is the question that pushes a lot of replace decisions. Oil to gas, gas to electric heat pump, propane to anything else. Changing fuel means more than a new boiler. It means new piping, new venting, sometimes a new chimney liner or service upgrade. That conversation should happen before you pick equipment because the fuel decision drives the equipment options. Don't let a salesman start with, "You need a new boiler," if you haven't decided whether to keep your fuel source. Question 5. Would zone upgrades fix what you actually hate? Most "I need a new boiler" complaints are really comfort complaints. Cold rooms, uneven heat, pipes that bang, a new manifold with proper zone valves, new thermostats, and a controller can often deliver the comfort improvement people are chasing for under $3,000, leaving the boiler in place. That's what I did at the Mohawk cottage, and the heat finally felt right. If you've got an aging boiler and you're staring at a replacement quote, send me 3 photos, the boiler data plate, the manifold and zone valves, and 1 wide shot of the boiler room. $9.99 on hammondreengineered.com/report. I'll tell you which of the 5 questions point to repair and which one actually means it's time.